Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Derek, and as you can see, we got quite a bit of snow. Had a lot of fun driving around in that, getting some filming done when it came down on Sunday. Went back on Monday and tried to find that trail going up the hill. But yeah, I love the snow and I love getting out and filming it. Today though, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be painting this piece of trim. So I'm gonna take this off. It's kind of like this color, like gasoline color, rainbow type thing. We're gonna take these off, paint these as well. And then I'm gonna do the headlights also. So these are super foggy. Jeep's filthy right now from all the snow, but we're gonna go ahead and take these off. I got a headlight cleaning kit we're gonna use. I've done it a few times. I don't know if I've used this exact one that I've got today. You got some water in there too. Ideally you wanna seal that. Probably a crack right there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the outside, paint that up. And I've got a little leak that is happening in the front. I think it's from the power steering pump. I'm gonna have to replace that. It was low when I got it and it's been whining non-stop, so just small whining, not like whenever it's really low. But I think it's causing it to leak on top of the filter and leak from the filter then. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out too, get on the lift. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys all the steps of going through and cleaning the headlights and also painting the plastic. So. We got everything cleaned up, got that trim out, got the window wipers off, went and painted the trim over there as you saw, and kind of vacuumed out this whole spot where the trim was covering up. A bunch of leaves and that kind of crap, might as well do it now while we're there. So now we're gonna do the headlights. This is the kit that I have right here. Let's see what it is. So I got the Rain-X, it was at Walmart. It was like mid-price, but I really like that it had the attachable sanding pads for the drill, because we're gonna go ahead and take the headlights off so that I don't mess up any of the paint around the edge, even though this, the Jeep does not have good paint at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, pull these out so we get all the way to the edge. We're all finished with the sanding step. Now we're at the most important one, which is the protecting, and that's whenever you get to see how clear it is. So we have both of the lenses all sanded. There are 3 different sanding pads, different thicknesses, whatever, grits, to go ahead and use on it, and as well as a polisher. So we have all that done. Here's the different sanding pads. So start with the red one, and then you go to gray, and then you go to blue, and then you have this polisher that you use on the polisher pad. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this last step right here, step 4, and that's protecting. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down. We're gonna wipe down the lenses, and that's gonna protect it, make it crystal clear, hopefully, and we'll go from there. Have the lights in. As you can see, they look much better. I will say it's not as good as the kit that I used before from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and link that for you guys below. I wasn't as happy with the sanding method. I mean, it was the exact same method that I used before, but they had different pads. And then the final method, when you seal the headlights, when it really gets the clarity, it wasn't as good as it was before when I have done it. So, but whatever, it'll work for now. I'm gonna actually be putting in newer Grand Cherokee headlights whenever I build a bumper, so I'm not too worried about it. That'll be in about 2 to 3 months. I'm gonna start doing that. So, but we got the top painted as well, which looks much better. Got the wiper handles painted, as well as the piece up here, the plastic piece. So looks much better, and I'm pretty happy with it for now. It was looking, it was weird. It was like a gas effect, like the rainbow coloring. So looking much better. Once again, I'll go ahead and link the one that I would use on Amazon below for you guys. But I'm gonna finish off the video there. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up in the air and trying to figure out what that leak is coming from. I think it's definitely the power steering, but it wasn't leaking, and now it kind of is after all the snow wheeling, so a little bit interesting. But thanks again for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.